Good morning, Gurus. I am trying to do the depreciation area in the S4HANA Finance module. I have done the necessary settings in the finance side, and at the moment I am in the asset accounting module and trying to configure the depreciation area, and I'm getting some error. I'm not able to go any further. I tried the Google search and tried to locate any materials to solve this problem, which actually it looks like quite basic. I don't know where I am getting wrong. I hope someone who has handled this situation before will come back to me. I'll proceed with the configuration. So copy configuration, I have done the copy reference chart of depreciation. What I've done is, I'll do that again. It's an Indian company. So what I will do is I will copy the chart of depreciation for the Indian company. Sorry, the system is pretty slow today. Well, I'm having a sample chart of depreciation. Yeah, 1300. I'll take that. And my company is TRIC, and that's the chart of depreciation that I've created. Already says, but still I'll do complete object. Say yes. Do you want the organization complete? And that's regarding transport. I'll say yes. Do you want yes? That's it. So it is saved. The chart of depreciation has been saved. So next is specify description of chart of depreciation. That is done also. I'm just recreating it so that there is no confusion. Position TRIC trick, and that is a chart of depreciation trick. So that is also done. So now I will go to copy or delete depreciation areas. And it's here that I'm getting real problem. So chart of depreciation is TRIC. Yes, continue. So I got all these things here. And this is a new screen as per the S4HANA. So the situation is I have created OL 0L ledger, and I've also created a non-leading ledger, which is T2. I have also created an appendix ledger, which is TL. Well, I'll go and show that screen as well, because that is quite relevant here for the purpose of configuring the depreciation area. So what I will do is I'll take one more screen, and the FINC underscore pardon me. So I'm going to that screen. So here I am, and this 0L, I'll select copy. That's opening up. Ignore that. Continue. And now I will go to my TRIC. So these are the 0L the leading ledger, and this is TRIC, and I'll double click this, and what I get is the company code settings for ledger 0L. So I got company code currency and company code currency in the controlling area as well. So this is how the settings here. And the accounting principle, if I go to the accounting principle, I have LJAP. This is the accounting principle for the 0L ledger. So I will go back to the ledger, back, and I got one more ledger as a non-leading ledger. This is the one non-leading ledger. What I will do is I'll open the company code settings, and here also it's the same. I've created the same thing, and the accounting principle for T2 non-leading ledger is you've not indicated the parallel, and I'm told that that's not so compulsory. So I have created two, in which case, actually in this case, I don't need this one. This is actually superfluous. This is the one I'm concerned, TFRS. So this is how I have created the 0 ledgers. And there is one more thing. Appendix ledger also is there. This is a T3 is my appendix ledger. That also I will display for the sake of TRIC. So T3 ledger, that is appendix ledger trick, and it has just copied from the base ledger, and the accounting principle for this one is SF1 SFIN group accounting principle. This is the one I have appended. So that's it. With that in mind, I need, this is a 0L ledger. I need another one depreciation area for the second currency setting in the 0L ledger, which I will call this one. And then I need one more for the non-leading ledger. I will call this consolidation balance sheet in local currencies. Since I don't have any other currencies needed, I'll delete the rest of the, so I'll return this, I'll return this, I'll delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. So I will return 3 and delete the rest. So this 15 is quick limited. And let it be for the income tax act. Okay. And the accounting principle in this case is T, not TFRS. If I do like that, I need a ledger group, isn't it? And for TFRS, I'll take this. So all that is done. I will save it. So far, no problem. So that is saved. But it is struggling. Sorry about that struggle. System is very slow today. Surprisingly, it's never like this, so slow. Maybe it is a weekend day, therefore I'm getting this. Ledger 0L is assigned to multiple accounting principles, LJ, AP, GSLA. So let me see what it is. Only assign accounting principles in chart. Difference. Okay, let me see. What I will do is I will assign this ledger to the same LJAP and let me see what happens. And if I save, what's the effect? Specify an area for accounting principle TFRS that posts APC. Specify an area for the accounting principle TFRS that posts APC. I don't know what I should be doing for that. And it says specify an area of accounting principles. Within the accounting principle, one depreciation area must be defined to post acquisition value real time in this accounting principle. In chart of depreciation trick, no such specific depreciation area is defined for accounting principle TFR. To specify a depreciation area in accounting principle TFRS that updates acquisition value in real time to the general ledger. Okay, what I will do in that case is, supposing if that's a problem, I will make this real time for real time posting, and that is possible in so brilliant. Area 20 will be deleted. The option value is not allowed for area 30 in chart of depreciation. So warning, you cannot transfer values for depreciation area 30 in chart of depreciation. Again a warning. So many warnings, but let me go with it and see what will happen. It's not letting me save. Yeah, it's saved. That's not my issue. The issue arises when I try to assign the chart of depreciation to the company code. This is where the problem arises. So chart of depreciation TRIC, and when I click here, that's all right. And when I click here, you got the red here. I've seen it before. Brilliant. It has come again. Transfer of depreciation term is not allowed in area 30 of chart of depreciation. I don't know what to do with it. It's been like this for quite some time. Transfer of depreciation term is not allowed in area 30 of chart of depreciation. Message on. So a depreciation area can only adopt depreciation terms from a depreciation area to which the same accounting principle TFRS is assigned. Or else the depreciation area posts acquisition values immediately. Then the depreciation area is not allowed to adopt values from any other depreciation. Depreciation area 30 adopts depreciation term from depreciation area 01 in however different. Correct the settings in customizing of our accounting system. Let me see what it is. And here specify, let us specify transfer and depreciation terms. No, it's not getting from there, but it's getting an independent posting, isn't it? Here, if I see the possibilities are, this one is getting from there. See, here this is direct, and this one is getting from 01. And here, it's getting independent posting. Let me see. Entry 00 does not exist in T193 checklist. Let me see 30. That's saved. System automatically modified asset class depreciation term. Let me see what will it work in any way in my assigning. Oh, this is a disease which I encounter quite often. I'll delete it. You cannot transfer values for depreciation area 30 in chart of depreciation trick. And now it's got another one. You cannot transfer values for depreciation area 30 in chart of depreciation. Message AC264. You have defined a value takeover for depreciation area 30 in chart of depreciation trick. However, this area is an area for just investment support, an area for a serve. In all of these cases, the entry is not allowed and must be removed. What do I do now? I'm stuck. My request to any of you Theos or gurus is, if you've encountered a problem, to come over this situation that I'm in, and if you've solved it, can you advise me, please? Thank you very much.